The staggered stance dumbbell Romanian deadlift, also known as the B stance deadlift, is a deadlift variation that targets the hamstrings and glutes. By using a staggered stance, the front leg does the majority of the work, thus allowing you to isolate and target each leg independently. To get started, with the hip width stance, hold a pair of dumbbells in each hand in front of your thighs with an overhand grip down by your sides. Get into a staggered stance with your back foot up on your toes, approximately a few inches behind your front foot. If you require more balance, stagger your stance wider. Contract your core, then hinge at the hips to drive your glutes back as your torso leans forward to lower the dumbbells. Focus on maintaining a strong flat back with your neck in neutral position in alignment with your spine. Lower the weight in a straight line until you reach a comfortable stretch while maintaining a flat back with no rounding in your lower back. Push your front foot through the floor to rise back to standing. Repeat all the reps on one leg, then alternate the staggered stance and repeat with the other leg. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.